Welcome to the Quirky travel guide to Rome at night. First stop is the Basilica of Santa Maria Maggiore with its glorious golden ceiling and beautiful artwork. On every corner there's an ancient monument lit to show off its best side. Trastevere, across the Tiber, is the most popular place in Rome to eat and drink at night. Friendly restaurants, lively bars, tasty bakeries and colourful souvenir shops make this the perfect place for an evening stroll. You simply can't beat Trastevere for a delicious meal or a relaxing drink in charming surroundings. The Trevi fountain has been beautifully restored and is an absolute delight to look at. Tourists flock there day and night, and everyone has to throw a coin in the fountain and make a wish. Rome's most famous building, the Colosseum, is massively impressive at night and has the added advantage of being far less crowded. Vatican City is the heart of Rome and the Catholic world. St. Peter's Basilica attracts pilgrims from across the globe and is magnificent both inside and out. A perfect place to end our tour of Rome by night.